Hey everyone, this is Taylor Lewis of the Pulmonary Performance Institute, and one exercise that we want to show you today is working more on the shoulder blade, so what we call prone scapular retraction. What's great about this exercise for people battling pulmonary conditions is oftentimes our chest will get tight, we'll get rounded, then we'll use our neck for breathing and stuff like that, and that starts to weaken the muscles on the back side because it starts to lengthen them. So one thing to think about doing in your training is doing some exercises that involve some type of rowing or kind of pulling back and retracting. And this is a great one to show you that we're going to do with Nicole here on the bench. So she's going to lay on her stomach on the bench. And then she's going to make sure, the key with this exercise is make sure that her chin is tucked on the bench right here. Because what this does is it kind of shuts off these neck muscles so they're not working, because if you don't have the neck tucked on the bench, drives forward, these are going to have to pull you back. So we want to kind of deactivate these. So with this exercise, you want to make sure here is she's going to shift over a little bit more. She's going to shift over a little bit more of her shoulder blade here. You want to make sure that your shoulder is off the side here, so you're going to allow it to move. Now she has longer arms, so she's going to have a little bit of a bend, because if we lock out her arm here, she's going to hit there. However, when you're doing this exercise, we're not thinking about rowing here. We're going to think about the shoulder blade here. The shoulder blade is going to drive the movement, and we're going to think about, she's going to think about trying to come and pinch my finger that's in the middle here, and then she's going to relax and let it hang down, and then she's going to repeat that again. So what's happening here is with her shoulder blade, she's trying to pull her shoulder blade back, and then she's trying to relax it. What's going to happen here is you're going to start to get a little bit of neck here where you're trying to use this muscle here. We're going to think about pulling the shoulder blade down and back. Then you're just going to pinch and then relax. Let the arm hang, pinch, and then relax. So what's happening here is she's pulling that shoulder blade to the middle. So we're just thinking, perfect. When you're hanging there, I'm just going to try and pull my shoulder blade, retract it, and then let it hang and relax. Ideally, not trying to shrug here, but working there. So what happens when we do that is we're now tightening the back muscles and stretching the chest muscles, something that's very big when we're talking about breathing, because our secondary respiratory muscles will help us breathe throughout the day, and we need to make sure that we have a balance between the front side muscles and the back side muscles. So go ahead and try that exercise out, and just think anywhere from 10 to 15 reps. Once again, letting the shoulder blade drive the movement.